magta-transplant tayo ng strawberries. Ang tawag sa strawberries na to ay everbearing. Kasi, they can produce twice a year. As compared doon sa June berries, ibig sabihin tuwing June lang sila pwedeng i-harvest. Natin to. So, in one seedling tray, I think this is the tray. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong tawag dito. Seedling container? I don't know. Seedling cell. Yeah, cell pala ang tawag dito. So, 6 na peraso siya. So, I have couple of trays over here. So, unahin ko pag-transplant yung mga may bulaklak na. Ayan. So, I have my soil. Pre-moist ko na siya the other day. So, a combination lang sa ng container soil. Container soil kasi mas loose siya. Hindi pa pwede na ordinary garden soil or landscape soil kasi heavier yung lupa. Sa container ka lang, alam mo lang pero yung container later on magko-compact siya. So, kailangan loosen ang soil mo. And then I added some compost. And then I added organic fertilizer. And of course, vermiculite. So, vermiculite, yun yung nakikita niyong brown. Yan. So, this particular material is needed for strawberry and container kasi it will help to retain the moist. Yan. Para hindi siya matutuyo agad. So the strawberry is they want a consistent moist. So kailangan palagi siyang moist. Pero ayaw din nila na babad sila sa tubig. Yung ugat nila babad sa tubig. So gusto din nila like just constant moist pero hindi basa. Okay? Kasi pwede silang mamatay. So, unahin natin to. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay, please keep quiet. Ayan. So, yan yung kalapate. Sa Amerika, ang kalapate hindi katuwa-tuwa. Ang tawag dito sa kanila is flying pest. Lumilipad na peste. So, sobrang dami nila. Ayan. Dali lang Gumawa lang ako na. Ayan. Pinalis ko muna sila. So, this container is about 3 gallon or 3.5. So, I guess this is like 15 inches. The length. And yung width niya is around 8. So I have other strawberries as well in the garden. I transplanted 2 weeks ago a lot of my June berry strawberry. So sa June, I'm hoping makaharvest ako this time. So I tried strawberry last year, but since last year was my first time in gardening, so I was not successful. I was just so excited the idea na magkakaroon ako ng strawberry, but it was not a success kasi I don't know what I'm doing. I learned a lot na. Then I do my research first. So last year I was buying seedlings from big boxes like Home Depot, Lowe's, other nurseries. So it was not that cheap kasi kasi ang mamahal nila. Sa mga 4 inches growth lang ng vegetables, like tomato, peppers, and if you buy organic pa, it's about like 499, 399, so like 250 pesos to 200 pesos. And then may ugali ako dati na pag may binibili ako ng seedlings, I always buy 3 para kung mamatay man yung isa, meron pa akong 2. So sobrang mahal talaga. Pero ngayon natuto na ako, so I grow my own seeds.